Hi, and thanks for coming with us on our Intrapreneurship Challenge journey. Now, my name is Jamie, I'm from Studio Zao, and to quickly recap, this program is a simple, free, and light touch series of 6 entrepreneurship innovation lessons for those who want practical tips, tools, and a pathway for getting started. It's for both people leading innovation and doing innovation, provoking and supporting you along your innovation journey. Our 4th lesson and challenge is back to being tailored to those doing innovation. From lesson 2, we explored how to use the lean experimentation process to gather evidence and systematically decrease the uncertainty and risk of an innovation idea. So how was that experience for challenge number 2 for you? Did you experiment on any ideas? You can reach out to me at any point and we can go through your challenge together or answer any of your questions. Now, in lesson number 4, we'll focus on building a compelling narrative and business case for your idea. So let's say you've conducted some customer discovery interviews to verify your assumptions, and you've discovered new insights and learnings which you've used to evolve your idea into something that now you believe is ready to progress further. So at this point, you may want to get yourself someone who's more senior to champion and support your idea, who can act as a mentor. They can help you to shape it further and to articulate a strong business case that's both ambitious as well as being suitable for your organization's strengths, and to prepare you for presenting it to senior leadership. Your mentor will need a clear snapshot of your idea. There are many tools that you could use to get the snapshot, but one of the best ones is called the lean canvas. The whole concept behind a lean canvas is to briefly and concisely explain a business idea to someone who's not familiar with it on one page. It doesn't take long to prepare one, and the simple act of preparing it will help anyone with a business idea to get more clarity on their thoughts. So as you can see, the lean canvas is structured in such a way as to help you articulate a narrative behind your idea. For example, the basic narrative is these customers have these problems and pain points, which I plan to solve like this, and I will be able to make revenue or drive a return in this way. And I stand a good chance of succeeding because I have these advantages. Now, there are a few other sections to the lean canvas, and you can also fill them out, but let's go through the fundamental ones. So number 1, customer segments. Who exactly are you trying to help here? Try and paint a detailed picture. Number 2, problems. And what precisely are their pain points and their frustrations that you're trying to help alleviate and to solve? Number 3, early adopters. Is there a subset amongst these people who are currently suffering the most from these frustrations and therefore might be interested in your solution the most? Number 4, existing alternatives. It helps hugely to know how they are currently dealing with these frustrations. Do they already have an adequate solution or not? Perhaps they're using some sort of workaround, but they're looking for a better solution. And number 5 is solutions. How will you address each and every one of those frustrations and pain points that you've listed? Number 6 is revenue streams. What's your plan for earning a return from your idea? Do you have a revenue model in mind, or is the return based on something else, such as driving an increase in operational efficiency? Number 7 is unfair advantages. So what exactly makes you more likely to succeed than someone else? Do you have some ideal skills or existing assets or resources that can give you a head start? Now, those are the fundamental sections that we would recommend that you prepare. Although the lean canvas looks simple and straightforward, a really important tip is to write in full sentences. Keep them simple, specific and concise, but full sentences. For example, don't just write lack of time as a problem. Instead, try writing, finding the right supplier is complex and currently requires too much time. Also, if your idea is about helping multiple customer segments, then prepare a separate lean canvas for each one, because each segment may have different pain points and need different solutions. If you're considering an idea where the users are not necessarily the ones who pay for the service or product, for example, advertising funded models, then compile a lean canvas for the users and another one for the customers who actually pay. So now it's your turn to compile a lean canvas and get ready to explain your business idea in a clear, simple, and concise way to bring your mentor, as well as any other stakeholders, on board. Now, good luck with this challenge, and if you have any questions or you want some feedback, please feel free to drop me an email. I'm always happy to have a chat. So I'll see you soon for our next challenge, where we will be exploring how innovation leaders can better ring fence and protect resources and protect their intrapreneurs.